Welcome back to Nano Education. In this video, we will be building React from scratch using the Parcel Bundler. So there's plenty of tutorials out there for WebPack, but I find Parcel to be a little easier, if you say. So let's go and get started. So the first thing you want to do inside a directory, you want to open your terminal. So I'm gonna open my integrated terminal. And you want to run npm, so let me just zoom in for you guys, npm init -y. It will just create a default package.json. Now what we want to go ahead and do is install Parcel Bundler. So we'll say npm install -- save -dev. We want to save as a dev dependency. And then we'll say Parcel -bundler. And let it run. So once that is run, what we want to go ahead and do is install. We want to install two packages. We want to install React and React-DOM. So press enter and let it run. So basically, these are installing the React dependencies and the packages that we can use to run the React library, the React framework. So now what we want to go and do is install Babel, because Parcel Bundler can do ES6 and all, but we need to use the Babel preset for React. But luckily there's rarely any configuration. So we just want to do npm install babel-preset-env and then babel-preset-react. Enter. Alright, so after your Babel presets are installed, now all we have to do is create our Babel source file, which will have the settings for our Babel. So exactly knows how to compile the code. So we'll do a Babel source file. Now we just want to open some curly braces. So it's going to do 2 presets. And then we want to have a quick array, and we're going to say, alright, so for some reason Visual Studio Code does not recognize the file type, so it does recognize it as plain text. It's okay. We're not going to do anything major with this, so we'll go close that. And now what we want to go ahead and do is start up. So we want to do a source folder. Inside the source folder, we just want to create a quick index.html file and a quick index.js file. Inside the index.html, you can paste in your explanation point for the boilerplate. We'll say React app, React Parcel app. And then inside the body, we just want to link. So we want do a script source for our index.js. Alright. Inside of index.js, so inside the body, you want to create the root element. And that's it. That's goodbye. Index.html, you will no longer need that unless you want to put Bootstrap or something. Then inside of index.js, you want to start importing. So we want to say import React from React. Import React DOM from React DOM. So React DOM. Then we want to create a function of app, which will return h1 of hello world. And now we're just going to do a React DOM .render. We want to render the app component. And then do a document.get element by ID, and we'll get the root element. Alright, so we have no script set up, so there's no way we can actually run this file. So we're going to go to our package.json, get rid of this test script, we won't need it. Instead, create a start script. We're just going to say parcel source / index.html. Right? We want to point it to our index.html. Then you want to have a build script. Let's go to one. And we're going to say parcel. Hopefully I couldn't have done that right. So we're going to say parcel build. And we want to build index.html. And what we want to go ahead and do, we want to save this to an outside directory. So what you will be going ahead and typing in would be right here, -- out -dir and where. So we just want to call it the public folder. So now we're going to run npm start If we run it, it builds a this folder. Building React is building it. Now we can just, you want to go head over to localhost 1234 like I said so. Hello world. Alright, it worked. Now it's going to build it quickly. So you want to click quit out and just say npm build. Enter. And call with no argument. Alright, so make sure you run npm run build. Or it's not going to stand. Once you run it, it's going to build it inside your public folder. And boom. So if you check out your public folder, indexational source and everything. So this is how you use Parcel Bundler with React.js. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please leave a suggestion down below for any future videos that you might want. And I'll see you guys in the next.